Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys voice tapping how to on Oppo phone device. Friends, you want to on guys your keyboard voice tapping. So how to on guys keyboard voice tapping. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, first of all you will have to on friends your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, click on search option and friends on your keyboard setting. After on keyboard setting friends, scroll it. Friends, you can see voice tapping here. Friends, voice tapping is already on. So friends, your tapping is off. So friends, click here. And friends, now you can use friends your voice typing on Oppo phone. So friends, like that we can use keyboard voice typing. So we will cut it. And friends, you don't want to use get this voice typing, friends, again click here. Off. After a friends, we cannot use voice typing on Oppo phone device. So friends, you want to use, so guys click on phone setting. On from here, after on friends, now we can use keyboard voice typing. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, now you have any doubt, so you can ask in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.